In a busy veterinary practice, automating administrative tasks is crucial for keeping up with demand. Use task automation to save time, reduce costs, and increase revenue. Join us as we look at 3 ways ezyVet will speed up your daily tasks with automated price adjustments, charge capture, and reporting. Let's go check it out. First up, let's have a look at how you can create automated price adjustments. Head to the Price Adjustment Rules within the Admin tab. We're going to set up an example of a surcharge to automatically apply after hours. Work your way through the fields, starting with creating a name for the rule. Choose the type of adjustment to apply. Add how much you want to adjust the price by. We're choosing no minimum for hours today. And exclude this from applying to service fees. The last step is adding the time we want the rule to automatically apply to invoices. Then hit save. Nice and easy, right? No more missed surcharges. Simply set up the price adjustment once and let ezyVet do the rest. Next, we're diving into how ezyVet automatically invoices out consults. Head over to the settings within the Admin tab and select Appointment Types. In our example today, we're looking at a wellness exam, and we're going to attach a standard consult fee within the billing trigger field. And just like that, anything associated with that appointment type will automatically be invoiced when the patient walks through the door. The last thing we're looking at today is how to set up automated reporting, which puts key information right at your fingertips. Head over to Automated Tasks within the Admin tab, then select Automated Reporting. Select your report and toggle to Run Automatically. Choose how frequently you want the report to run. Add in who receives the report via email or memo. Choose your reporting format. The final setting you need to complete will be based on the type of report you're running. Set these up like you would a one-off report, then hit save, and you're all set and ready to have key reports sent directly to you. Are you ready to take your practice to the next level? Free up your team to focus on the important things. To learn more about how your team can incorporate task automation, head to the Help tab and search Automate.